100 years ago, diphtheria was a child's worst nightmare. Imagine struggling for breath as your throat slowly closes up, and doctors with little to offer but hope. But today, because of vaccines, many of us have never even heard of it, until now. With outbreaks making headlines, it's time I unmask diphtheria, what causes it, how it strikes, and crucially, what you can do to stay safe. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is diphtheria? It isn't just a sore throat. The real villain is a bacteria called Corynebacterium diphtheria. Catchy name, nasty bug. It spreads easily through coughs, sneezes, and even skin wounds. If you're not vaccinated, you're fair game. Once inside, the bacteria get clever. They release a potent toxin that does three dreadful things. First, it kills cells lining your throat, building up a grayish membrane that suffocates. Second, the same poison can travel, attacking your heart and nerves, sometimes with fatal results. And third, its sneaky diphtheria lurks in places with low vaccine coverage, parts of Asia, Africa, South America, and lately in some refugee camps. For most of us, it's rare. But it only takes one outbreak to remind us it's never really gone. So how do we keep diphtheria in the history books? The answer is simple, but powerful vaccines. The DTaP vaccine for children topped up with boosters is a game changer. For adults, the Tdap booster every 10 years keeps your defenses up. It's not just about you, either. When enough of us are vaccinated, over 85%, we create herd immunity, protecting everyone, including newborns too young for their jabs. And if you're traveling to high-risk regions, get your booster. Wash your hands, cover your mouth when you cough. It spreads like a cold, but hits much harder. Here's a fact. Thanks to vaccines, diphtheria deaths have dropped by 99.9% since the 1920s. That's nothing short of a miracle. But what if, despite all this, someone gets diphtheria? Time is of the essence. Doctors use a two-pronged approach. First, antitoxin, which neutralizes the poison and must be given within 48 hours. Second, antibiotics like erythromycin or penicillin to kill off the bacteria. It's a race. If the throat blocks, an emergency procedure, a tracheostomy, may be needed to help you breathe. The toxin can inflame your heart, so you'll be closely monitored. To stop it spreading, patients are isolated for weeks, and everyone in contact is checked and given preventive antibiotics. It's serious business. Here's the bottom line. Diphtheria should be nothing but a scary story from the past. But vaccine hesitancy is giving it a chance to resurface. All it takes is a flight, a cough, or a moment's complacency. So check your vaccine records. Book that booster if you're due. Protect yourself, your kids, and your community. Our grandparents fought to beat diphtheria. Let's not let it make a comeback now. Don't forget to subscribe for more science that could save your life. And if your family has a diphtheria story, drop it in the comments. Let's keep each other safe. For the full vaccine schedule, check the link below. Stay curious, stay healthy.